DTC Palm Grove is a project which has been designed by us. We are the architects for the project, and we've tried to design it with a lot of care and humility. So the project is a row housing project which is off Diamond Harbour Road. So if this is the road, then this is about 100 meters inside. The advantage of being a little inside is that it is away from the very, very busy Diamond Harbour Road sound and everything, and yet it's too proximate. And then it's a large patch of land where we currently have around 5 acres in our possession. This is the 5 acres, and there is the method of expansion on this southern side. Southern breeze flows from this direction. The roads and the greens, the open spaces, are all kept in such a way that the southern breeze flows within the site. So this is basically the orientation of the site, and this is the predominant wind flow direction, and this is the sun path, where once we enter, if this is my site, once we enter, my building blocks are laid in such a manner, the open spaces and the greens are positioned in such a manner that this additional access through open spaces in the backyards is also achieved. So this is predominantly about the master plan. Now from the master plan, we would go into individual unit designs and how we have curated individual unit. We have considered that these buildings and bungalows are primarily 2 and 3 storied. This is the total plot of the bungalow. We have a small garden in the front, which is the welcome garden when we are entering. And then there is a back lawn. And the living room, this is the living room. This living room actually opens into this lawn. So once we enter, there is a car parking space. We park the car, and then there is a small foyer where there is the entry. And from the entry, as soon as we enter, there is a staircase which is with a cutout, with a nice cutout and atrium. The staircase actually goes up. This corner is the kitchen. This is as per Vastu, the southeast side is the kitchen. And the kitchen actually gives way to the dining area, which is on one side. This dining table is basically below the cutout, and as soon as we enter, we see this double height glass area. This area is a double height, giving the feel of vastness and grandeur. And then we have the living rooms over here, and there is only one bedroom at the ground floor. Again, that bedroom has a big glass which again opens into the private lawn. And then we go upstairs. We have 2 bedrooms on the upper floor and 2 attached toilets and a small terrace, and the double height continues, giving that great feel. And then there is a terrace at the rooftop as well, where there is a small lounge. Once we go up the staircase, there is a small lounge which opens into the terrace. We know that in Bengal there has been a use of terracotta and brick for ages, and that has been the architectural concept of Bengal. So here what we have done is, along with the very, very modern straight line facade and along with a lot of glass, we have actually used brick as an element of facade design, where exposed brickwork has been put on the facades, creating a totally different and unique look to these buildings. So once we enter from here, this is the entry to the site. This is the location of my clubhouse. And this clubhouse has been designed in a very, very geometrically shaped, staggered look, creating an open space in front of the green. And the amenities are located here, which would be enjoyed by the residents to a full scale. There would be a nice banquet hall. There is a very fantastic lounge, some games room, and some gymnasiums. There is an audio-visual room, fantastic infinity edge swimming pool, and open spaces which are there in the clubhouse. Other than the amenities which are housed in this building with an organized club, there are amenities and facilities which are located and scattered all around the site in the form of children's play area, in the form of a reflexology path. There are small sit-outs, there are senior citizens corner, and overall this project is going to be a very, very pleasing project for whoever is going to reside in this. Thank you.